Hey friends, today what we are going to study is finite and non-finite verbs. So in earlier videos we have learnt about the verb and its types. Now we will read about finite verbs and non-finite verbs. So first, finite verbs. A finite verb is limited by the person and number of the subject. That means if a verb is changed its form according to its subject, then it will be a finite verb. Like Rohan plays. In this, Rohan is a singular subject and plays is a singular verb. So in next sentence you can see Rohan and Mohan play. Rohan and Mohan are plural subject, so they will take plural verb. So if the verb changes according to the subject, then it will be a finite verb, and this is limited by or restricted by a number of person and number of subject. Then come to non-finite verbs. Now non-finite verbs are not limited by person and number of subject. That means this verb remains unchanged. He likes to visit hill stations. He likes to visit hill stations. He, singular subject, to visit, here non-finite. In other sentence you can see they like to visit hill station. They, plural subject, but to visit unchanged. So when the verb remains unchanged or it has no effect of the person or the subject over it, then the verb will be called as non-finite verb. I hope you are able to understand what is finite verbs and non-finite verbs. After that, I hope you like the video.